Hello, I'm Will Sampson from Cabinet Maker FDM Magazine. We're in the shop today to try out the cordless 20-volt hammer drill from DeWalt. Now, cordless drills have come a long way since the early days of low power and heavy batteries. Now with the lightweight lithium-ion technology and lots of power, really the cordless tools have gotten in a position to pretty much replace the corded tools in the drill driver world. And it's so nice to be operating without a cord. This one has a lot of nice features. It has 11 chuck settings for different drilling situations. It has a regular drill situation, drill setting, and then it has the hammer drill. So you can handle everything from drilling screws to drilling holes in wood to even drilling holes in concrete. Now granted, the wood shop is not going to have to do that very often, but there are a few installation situations like a basement remodel or something like that where being able to drill into concrete could be handy. In addition, it has a light that goes on as soon as you pull the trigger, and it goes off 20 seconds after you release the trigger, which is real handy in dark spaces. Has a little belt loop for hanging it on your belt. Has a removable hand grip handle. There's a clip here so that you can mount bits to have them handy. And one of the features I really like is the batteries come with, I'll take this up so you can see it a little closer. Batteries come with a little fuel gauge so you can see whether you've got a full charge or not, which is kind of nice. So if we can show you some of the versatility here, I'm going to chuck up. Has a nice keyless chuck, goes up to 1/2 inch, and no problem in driving screws, and chuck up a bit, and on the drill setting, no problem there either. Now let's throw in a masonry bit and show you what it will do in concrete. Now the way a hammer drill works is it's actually providing a hammer effect, like it's hitting the back of the drill to allow it to go into really tough material. Not bad. Well, as I said, you probably aren't going to need to drill through concrete on a regular basis. But knowing that you have that kind of power at your disposal is pretty handy. The drill comes in a blow molded case with 2 batteries and all the features that we showed you, and it's definitely worth checking out. Well, that's what we've got for today. We have lots more tool reviews and videos on our website at cabinetmakerfdm.com. Thanks for watching.